course, we know climate change is.
We would like to interrupt your speech as of now because
Yes, the motion from.
Would like to raise a point for personal privilege to raise this point.
Okay, we acknowledge the point. Of course, I think we have to be loud in the voice. Delegate from March.
you may now proceed.
Of course, we know climate change is linked to the first research and carbon emissions. In 2010, Argentina's carbon emissions were linked in million tons, accounting for 0.63% of the global total. In a globalized economy with international trade and many with export-based economies. There are endless debates about how to calculate what each country's share of carbon emissions should be. Population can be an indicator as to how a carbon emission can be shown due to their details. So, since Argentina has made the use of biofuels obligatory for all liquid fuel types for transportation, we suggest for our stand is to use biofuels in any liquid type vehicles in order to prevent the global warming.